Right, yep, so here we go. So here's the Sinclair Zikes. So this is the one that came built already. And basically it's more complete than that one. So this one is, so it's got the chain on it. It's also got a belt as well, just hanging on handlebars, but it's got like the grips and the accelerator button on here, or what's left of it, which is most of it apart from the little lever that sort of connects the micro switch that's in there. But that one there is basically looking pretty good. The chain actually, like I mentioned on the prior video, looks a bit crap. It does need a good clean, but actually it's smooth. I've also added on the optional extra, which is the basket, which is £29.99 back in 1992, 1993. There's no electronics really in this. It's got, like they say, the loom that goes to the motor, which does work. And there's basically the wire that goes through to the accelerator, so I can do some sort of relay system. But the main sort of circuit board is normally mounted, where the charging part is normally mounted just there. That's gone, and I haven't got it. So generally speaking, they break anyway. So people tend to rewire them anyway. So, but yeah, that's not there at all. It's not even with the bikes. So yeah, that's that one. And this is the other one, which say was a box of bits, and I literally just assembled it, and basically it's all there. Again, it hasn't got this circuit board in the back. It hasn't got the chain, as you can see, but it'd just be a generic chain that probably needs shortening potentially. Otherwise, I think, and that's right, it's missing randomly a bolt that goes just here. Not sure what that bolt does. It might do something to do with tension, or it might just, I'm not sure what it does, but I think it might be something to do with tension, but it's missing. But all it is just literally a bolt, so I'll try and find one of those to put in there. Missing the grips, as you can clearly see, but I have got some new grips on order for both bikes, because these ones here, whilst they look fine technically, you could sort of use them, they're very dried, so I'll get the new grips in and potentially replace them, but certainly put them on this bike. Otherwise, this one is quite a nice bike, really. It's got the optional accessory again on that one, and yeah, it's all good. I put a cable tie just there, as you can see, just because it has got the cable holder, but say it just needs a sticky pad to stick it on. That's also, I just put a cable tie just to keep it in place, so until I get around to securing it on properly, but otherwise the part is there. So yeah, happy days. Spare part wise left over, I've got 2 front wheels left. If anyone on the Sinclair Zike needs a front wheel, dirt cheap, I've got 2 of them left. They look fine. I don't know if there's anything wrong with them, but they look visually fine. And I've also got the charging unit as well, which of course I'm not going to use for these bikes. So anyone is interested in the charging unit, I probably could let that go as well, because I don't really think I'll be keeping that either. And the original battery pack can go to a good home, or otherwise I'll just break up at some point and chuck it away, in recycling. And I say I have got new batteries, like I mentioned, for both of these, and I say new, they look brand new. They are NiCads, so they chances are they might be knackered, but they do look new, and the previous owner must have got them made up at some point in the last few years. So I am going to sort of charge them up and see if they work, and if they do, then I will be fitting them inside the frame on whichever bike I go for first, fit the relay system and just see if it works. But I know the motor does spin on both of them, so yeah, don't see any reason why they potentially won't work. Cool. And there we go. Yep, and so if anyone's interested in the Zike, cheap, then just let us know. Located in Bournemouth, Dorset. Nice one. Cheers.